Greetings humans, back again with Pusey Gaming Studio Tinder channel, and in this moment I would like to share how to be a how to create a Discord music bot free without any useless coding. Again, let's just head into it. Go to github.com, then click sign up. Create your account, make sure everything is filled right. Skip this. After creating your GitGud account, let's get the bot project. Go to github.com/clytage/ra1. Make sure you have started and forked this useless project. Give it your bot name whatever you want. About the hosting to get the bot online, we use suckyglitch.com for now. Let's create its account too. Follow my steps. Go to glitch.com and then sign up. Now we can close this tab, head back on GitHub, right click the remix button, and then open a new tab, because we still need GitHub. And then wait for a while. Delete old .env file, and rename .env_example to .env. Then turn off the plain text. Let's get the bot token. Go to discord.com/developer/applications and then follow my steps. Give it your bot name whatever you want. After copying the token, paste it into the glitch.env. You need to know that this token is private. Do not share it. You can specify these values with your own preferences, or you can use mine, which is the default one. Remember to keep an eye with these quotation mark usage. To get the server ID, go to your Discord account settings. Head Advanced tab and enable developer mode. Right click to your server, then copy ID. Then continue the filling section. This can be select menu or message. Change this to message if you having any issues with select menu interactions option. After specifying, let's making sure the bot is successfully builded or not by clicking the logs button. If you get any kind error like this, even the text different than mine, or stack red font, follow my steps. Select or block all text of the .env file content. Cut or copy it. Then go back to the GitHub and repeat the step that we have did before. But we have to delete or archive old glitch first. Waiting as always. Let's do what we have did before. Follow my steps. But this red one is not an error like before. So let's wait. Your bot is now online and running. Let's invite it to your server. Search for Ab1 Clytage on Google and follow my steps. Keep in mind that bots ID between bots token is a very different thing. Select permissions. What do you want to give for your bot on your server, but for mine is nothing. It's the real time to invite your bot physically to your server. You can close these following tabs because we no longer need it. Let's test it. I'm sure there is many bugs, but it's okay. Oh, the bot is not ready yet. We have to wait. When showing this message, it means your bot is really ready to use. Oh fuck, it seems Discord is not allowing prefix usage for Discord bots, but it's okay. Even /commands sucks. Eternity /commands is the only way.
Damn, baby, them hands as fuck.
Richie the God.
That nigga hit my phone.
Alright, now let's ahead how to make this fucking bitch stay online. Follow my steps, because now I'm too fucking lazy to talk. Go to script.google.com/home. Make sure you have logged into your Google account before. Just stay focused on my cursor, because of this web page is in Indonesian language. I don't fucking care. To generate the script, go back to RAD1 website, select script generator. To get the link, go back to Glitch, and copy the project link. And paste it there. Copy this card's content. And go back to Google Script, overwrite all of the existing text. Click save, wait, and then follow my steps. Select your Google account, and then just authorize. Don't worry about this, I guarantee this thing is safe. If you're facing this error, you have to do nothing. We'll look around about this issue. This should be disappear as soon as possible. As the consequences, your bot should not be able to stay online 24/7. If you want to use your bot again, just routine open the glitch every 5 minutes. If you closed it before xddddd. Now let's create an automated trigger. Just follow my options. If you can read Latins. Feel free to change this one, depends to your mood. Let's making sure. We are done. You can close all tabs. Enjoy the bot. Don't forget to give a like, comment, share and subscribe. If you want more content like this, join our Discord server clytage.org/discord if you need any support. Thank you.